Hello friends, welcome you all to Alpha Technical Sim. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Also please press the bell icon such that you get all the notification on time, right? First we'll check the Nifty volume. See, volume is less compared to the 5 days average volume. If we compare 5 days average volume, this average volume is less. Okay, this up move may not sustain. Okay, once this support level of 10,036, around 10,050 to 10,030, if it breaks and closes even one day full one body candle, then we can see market touching 9,610, or it may consolidate because this is a strong, both are strong support now. If breaks this support, it may take support here and then it may consolidate within this blue and pink range, or if it breaks this, then we can see a big fall up to 9,000. Even 9,000 breaks 8,800 and then it may go down. We don't know. As per the situation we can take a call. Okay, right? Now we will go to our chart, daily chart. See, I told you, this is 100-day moving average. Nifty taken exactly support at 100 moving average, and then this is a resistance and this is a support. If breaks this resistance, it may go up to 10,300 again. It may touch. Beyond that, going, there is possibilities less. It's not possible. Nothing is impossible in market, but possibility is if breaks today's low and tomorrow yesterday's low, the market will touch 9902. Okay, please take down all the 9902. About 9,900 is a psychological figure. 9,883 is the exact number. Okay, tomorrow it may consolidate, it may not break, it may consolidate, or we'll don't know what will happen in market. Let us see again with our Fibonacci number. 1 minute. We draw our 50%. See, this was almost 61.8. 61.8 is a golden ratio. Generally they say most probably it may go down 9868. It also showing the same number, 50%. Maximum by this week it may touch. Okay, or it may touch next week also, as per the situation. This is only for analyzation. We have to use this 1 hour and day candle. If you want to trade intraday, you have to use 5 minutes or 15 minutes setup. You should have some setup where it will show you. See, today this blue line is the 15 minutes high, this red line is the 15 minutes low. See, the market was moving between in this two times it has broken the low, third time it broke the high and then it went up. Okay, so we have to use some 5 minutes, 15 minutes for intraday. Only support and resistance line you have to take from 1 hour and day candle and mark it here and then use it for your analyzation. See, yesterday we drawed one line, so it is exactly, it is respecting, just not broken that. So major support is 10,079 in 1 hour. It breaks that only market will come down. It has to break today's low and yesterday's low, then market may take support at 9987. You see 9980 in day candle, 9987. So that point becomes the multiple data points suggest the same number. That means it becomes a major support. Understand? You have to try to interpret from all the angles. Now we'll go to Nifty. This is Nifty options chart. You can see there's lot of unwinding has happened. Okay, you can see here in deep in the money, even out of the money it has happened. Both, what you call, one up, one down, both down, fresh short position. Okay, even that has been winded up. It's very confusing because tomorrow is an expiry day. On expiry day, this OI data will not work. The consistency of the OI data or success ratio of OI data on expiry day is very, very limited. Okay, here they have added some fresh positions. Okay, even in the money they have added some fresh positions. Deep in the money they have squared it off. Deep out of the money also squaring off has happened in the put here in call side also. Okay, so let us see how market opens tomorrow, and then we'll analyze the market, right? Now go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty daily analysis, you can see it is also taking a support at 55 moving average. It has to break yesterday's low, only then it will go down, or else it will start consolidating between these points. Okay, between yesterday 20,116 will be the next support. If it breaks that, it may take support at 21-day moving average. Upside is also limited only about the 38.2%. Unless until Nifty also supports, it may not go up. Sorry, 22,000 is the upside limit. This high 21,700, 21,800 range will be the upside ring, and downside it is 20,116. Most probably it may start consolidating in 1 hour. Again in 1 hour, I told you yesterday, this is a 55-day moving average. See, it has not broken. So our super trend is also not changed. Let us see what happens opening tomorrow. There was a divergence, and divergence has been respected. Market has come down after the divergence about 21,500 to the low of 20,600, about 900 to 1000 points it has come down. So please try to learn more about divergence and start using it. Okay, you should know how to use it also. Divergence should be applied in the support and resistance level, then it works very much fine, right? Hope this video is clear. What we are missing out, sorry, we are missing out on the FII data. FII is 919 crores minus 500 crores plus for DI. Okay, global data. Global data is in the night, it is not much useful because there was a request, so I have added that also. Nasdaq is up by 0.5%, 0.1 to 0.8%. European markets were down 0.05%. 0.05% is the XGX Nifty up. Morning 8:30 will be the best time to see the global data. Okay friends, hope it is clear. Now we will go to the question of the day. Okay, tomorrow I will post the chart, all the 4 together. Okay, there was limitation of time. What is FOMO? What is FOMO? At least one answer you get every day from regarding the market, so your knowledge improves. At least that much, by that much percentage or that much numbers, our market, our knowledge regarding the market improves. So try to find out what is FOMO. Okay, that is very important because few stocks are going up. People will try to catch that. Because of the FOMO, they may enter that stocks and they may lose money. So please learn about FOMO, right? Hope this video was useful. Please press the like button. Okay, if you are new, please press the subscribe button, also the bell icon. Okay friends, thank you very much. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Thank you.